Are you ready to take your startup to the next level? Starting a business can be tough with expenses piling up. What if I told you the perfect solutions are at your fingertips? Introducing exclusive offers designed to give your business a head start. Enjoy €20,000 in fees waived on your first payments with Stripe. Save 10% on StarCycle's services for business dissolution. Get 100% off your first year with Intercom, simplifying customer relationships. These offers are just the beginning. Experience 25% off your first year with Forecaster, making financial modeling a breeze. Recruit Connect startups with amazing developers while offering $1,000 off your first month. Want customer service solutions? Enjoy 6 months free with Zendesk Suite. Gain access to Equinox Fitness locations around the world, plus $700 in training sessions. Stand out from competitors with Brex, which offers points for qualifying activities, and keep your finances organized with bill spend and expenses automated management. Imagine starting your business credit card membership for free and saving $3,000 in processing credits with Square. These incredible deals position your business for success. Don't wait, transform your operations with these unmatched offers today. Ready to unlock your business potential? Click the link below to take advantage of these game-changing deals now.